Alright, we got our head painted here. We put 2 coats of flesh color on here. It's a kind of a peach. Sprinkled it with a little bit of red to give it a little more depth and color. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start using our acrylic paints that we have here. And we're going to use these to kind of highlight everything that needs to be painted, like the white. We got to do the teeth here with white. We got to do red here on the lips. Want to do the eyebrows up in here. Want to highlight our lines with that. We got to paint the mouth here, the bottom lip, and the inside here we need to get painted. We're going to work on these hands. We'll do color for the fingernails and highlight these lines that we cut in here for the fingers. So if you enjoy my videos or find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.